Hello everyone, this is an iBase GNSS receiver, the Geodex G7-Lite with a 7 watts internal radio. Today we are going to test how far it can go with the RTK Rover. Now we are inside the Guangzhou University City SCUT campus. Let's set up the base station on the building rooftop and test the multiple checkpoints step by step. Let's start. Now we are on the rooftop and the base is ready. This high open area ensures long distance and stable transmission. The G7-Lite has a built-in 7 watts high power radio that despite no extra cables or external devices, the working distance can still reach 10 kilometers.
Now, let's go and test its real-world performance.
3.5 kilometers fixed. The signal is very nice. 8 kilometers fixed. The signal is still stable. 10 kilometers still fixed. Let's go further. 13.7 kilometers still fixed. Let's make some breakthrough. 15 kilometers still fixed. The signal is perfectly stable. Amazing 18 kilometers still fixed. Will it be the end or further? Let's go and see. Unbelievable, 20 kilometers still fixed. Now we have completed the test. The G7-Lite performs very well. It can maintain stable and high precision signals even in complex urban environments. Stay precise, stay efficient. Subscribe our channel for more real-world tests.